We're going to go ahead and do knee deep, 32 count, 4 wall, high beginner. So here we go. Starting with your right foot, you're going to walk, walk, triple step. Walk, walk, triple step. Back, right, left, half turn, triple step. Side, recover, sailor step. Rock, back, coaster, step forward with a left quarter turn, sailor step. You're going to side shuffle, rock, recover, side shuffle, and rock, recover. Now let's go ahead and do it with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching.